Okay, folks. Good day. Just this very evening. Okay. I just realized that the income tax has been amended. Okay, by the GRA or by the commissioner, anyhow you want to put it. And I realized that there's been some changes in there. Initially, I think the first 319 was tax free. The next 100 was 5%, um, and so forth. But currently, the first 365 is rather tax free. The next 110 is 5%, as you can see here. Okay, and what I want to do now is that I want us to actually see the implications of this whole change in our lives. Okay, and I'm assuming that every individual goes through this whole calculation in order to what arrive at the net pay. They understand that some companies go have these tier three contributions for staff, okay, and some other organizations also have this. Post-tax deductions. So I just want us to narrow the whole conversation to organizations where we have the mandatory ones, okay, the 5.5% and the income tax, okay. So with this whole rule here, or rule number two, sorry, has to do with the old tax. Okay, let me just in this one bit or increase the size. Okay, so this whole rule or rule number two has to do with the old tax, or which is the very first let me say the old tax. Okay, the old tax. Since there's a new one, this one happens to be an old one. So where the first 319 was tax free and the next 100 was 5% and all that. So this two happens to be the very new one that we are discussing. Okay, what has been amended by the GRA. Okay, so this is the whole new amendment, and I want us to see the implications of this in our lives. Okay, so what you are seeing here, sorry, this particular one here, is just trying to show the change. Okay, just trying to show us the change in tax. Okay, so this will be the change in net pay. Okay, and this one is the change in tax. Okay, but ideally is this probably as a basically is the same thing. Okay, so it has nothing to do with because the impact you are realizing your net pay is all because of the impact of the tax. Okay, yeah. So let's say if you earn, let's say if you used to your basic salary was 365. Okay, 365, or if your basic salary is 365, then let's say with the old one you were paying a tax of 1.30. Okay, which is 130% as tax. But currently you'll be enjoying, no tax. Okay, you're enjoying no tax because the first 365 is rather free. So anyone enjoying, having a chargeable income of something less than or equal to 365 will be charged no tax on that. Okay, so that's the good news. That's the good news. So supposing your basic salary is 365, mean that as it stands now you'll be enjoying a tax savings of 1.30. So you are saving as much as 1.30 on this new amendment. Okay. Yeah. So let's look at someone who takes 1,000 Ghana cedis as his basic salary. Okay. Anyone who takes 1,000 Ghana cedis as his basic salary and ends up saving as much as 10.05 Ghana cedis as tax savings. Okay, so 10.05 Ghana cedis as tax savings. I don't really think if it is that much. Is that much? But let's look further. What about someone who takes as much as 2,000 Ghana cedis? 2,000 Ghana cedis. Okay, meaning that the person also saves as much as 10.05 Ghana cedis. Um, now on this new amendment, okay. Okay, let me just reference this so that I'll just change this SL and it will referenced in row 3 or cell A3. Okay, so let's look at those who take as much as 5,000 Ghana cedis, or those whose basic salary is as much as 5,000 Ghana cedis. How much are we seeing for them? Okay, for them, they are saving as much as 15 Ghana cedis as tax savings, which to me is not something so huge to be excited about. No, I don't know. That's what I think. So that's what I think. So those taking, those whose basic salary is 10,000 Ghana cedis, they're also saving as much as 15 Ghana cedis. Okay, so let's look at the experiments. Those who are taking as much as 50, let's say those whose basic salary, sorry, is 50,000. How much are they saving? They're saving 15 Ghana cedis as what? Tax savings. Those whose basic salary is also 100,000 to are saving 15 Ghana cedis at tax savings. So basically, if from my view, okay, and based on this particular information that I'm actually showing you, I don't really see anything so exciting about this whole amendment. Trust me. Um, I'm not being partisan or anything. No, and I'm just being real. I'm just looking at the figures and I'm just speaking to the figures as it appears. I'm not so sure this is something to be so much excited about because if um I used to pay a tax of 27,000, 7.25 Ghana cedis, and now I'm paying 26,992.25, and I'm saving just 15 Ghana cedis on tax. Um, Maybe it's okay, but I'm not so sure that this whole change is significant enough, okay, to be excited about. So, folks, this is something I want to share with you. Just my thoughts based on science and data, okay, and so this is the implications of what is going to happen in our lives, okay. So, um, thanks, and if you have any questions or if you have anything to share, contribution to share with me, too, you can also share that one with me so that together we can grow together. Okay. So thanks for your time and you have a great day. Bye.